Hello student. Chapter number 6, square and square root. In that today we solve exercise 6.3. Okay. First question. What could be the possible ones digit of square root of each of following numbers? Okay. So question number 1. In that here we write down the numbers and here ones digit. Okay. Of the square root of given number. Okay, first number is 9801. Okay, it's a opposite. Okay, square root is opposite operation of square. Okay, so here our all steps are opposite. So we know that whose square, after squaring of which number with the ones digit we get ones at in square number. Okay, so they are 1 and 9. Square of the number with this digit, last digit 1, we get 1 because 1 square is 1. Same for 9 square is 81, so 1. Okay, so answer is 1 and 9. Same in 99856, 6, that is 4 and 6. Okay, we know that 998001, same here 1 and 9. And last one is 657666025. 5 means only 5 number is there. Okay, that is opposite operation of square. Now second question, look here. Without doing the any calculation, find the number which are surely not perfect square number. So we know that, okay, if the last digit at unit place 2, 3, 7 or 8 is there, okay, number 8, they are never be perfect square number. Okay, so you just check the last digits. Here 3 is there, that is not a perfect square number. 7 not perfect square, 8 not perfect square. Here 1 is there. Okay, so in first, second and third you just write down not perfect square number. And here 441, so 441 can be a perfect square number. Not sure, but that may be perfect square number. Okay, now question number 3. Find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Okay, so square root of number, question number 3. Square root by which method? That is repeated subtraction method. Okay, in that what to do? Just subtract natural odd numbers one by one. Start with 1. Okay, so 100, first we find out square root of 100. So what to do? First 100 minus 1 equal to, that is 99. Then 99 minus 3, next odd number is 3, equal to 96. Then 96 minus 5, next one is 5, 91. Then 91 minus 7 equal to 84. Then 84 minus 9 equal to 84, 75. Okay, then 75 minus 11, next is 11. 11 means 5, 1, 4 and 6. Then 64 minus next one is 13, equal to 1 and 6 minus 51. Okay, then 51 minus 15 equal to, so 51 minus 15 is 36. Okay, then 36 minus 17 equal to, that is 19. And 19 minus 19 equal to 0. Our answer 0 is there. Okay. So here you just write down square root of 100 equal to, and you just count total how many steps are there. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After 10 steps we get 0 answer. So that is 10. Okay. Same for 169. Now 169 minus 1 equal to 168. Then 168 minus 3 equal to 165. Then 165 minus 5 equal to 160. 160 minus 7 equal to 153. 153 minus 9, next number is 9, equal to 144. Then 144 minus next is 11, 133. Then 133 minus 13 equal to 120. Then 120 minus 13 and next one is 15, 105. Then 105 minus 17 equal to 7 cut. Okay, so 5 cut 2 only, 98, 1 sorry 88 I think. Okay, then 88 minus 19 equal to 20, 70, 79, 69, sorry 69. Okay, 69, 9, 9, 69, 69 minus 21, next one is 21, 19, then 21, that is 8 and 48. Then 48 minus 23, next one is 23, that is 8 minus 3 is 5 and 4 minus, that is 25, and 25 minus 25, next is 25, we get 0. Okay, so square root of 169 equal to, just count total steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Your answer is 13. Okay, now next one, question number 4. Look, find the square root of following numbers by the prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method. In that, total 10 questions are there, and here we solve total 5 questions, 5 from that one, and rest of 5 you just do yourself. Okay, here we first, second, then solve first, second, fourth, then 6 and last one. Okay, these 5 we solve here. So question number 4, find square root by prime factorization. Okay, that first one is 729. First, what to do in prime factorization? Just find out factors of given number. Okay, last digit is 2, so that is not divisible by 9, so that is not divisible by 2. Then check 3, 7 and 2 9, 9 and 9 18, so that is division by, because 18 is in 3's table. Okay, so divide by 3, 3 2s are 6, 12, 4 3s are, and 3 3s are 9, again 3, 1, again 3, 27, again 3, okay, 9, then 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Okay, so just write down factors of 729, that is 3 into 3, how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times, 3 3 3 and 3. Then make pair of numbers equal to 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. So square root of 729. We want to find out square root. So same here, square root of 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. Now here square and square root cancel. So 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. That's your answer. Okay. Now second one. Look, number 2, that is 400. So you just factorize 400. Look, last digit is 0. So that is divisible by 2. 2. That is 200. Again 2. 100. Again 2. 50. Again 2. 25. Then 5. 5. And 5 ones are. Now one more matter. What to do? Otherwise you just write down all factors here. Otherwise directly make pair of 2's here. Like that. Okay. So 400 equal to, look, that one is first pair, this one is first pair, pair of 2 square. Same here, pair of 2 square, and here 2 5s are there, pair of 5 square. Okay, so square root of 400 equal to square root of 2 square into 2 square into 5 square. Now square and square root cut, so 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. That's your answer, 20. Okay. Now fourth one. Look, fourth one is 4096. So factorize that number, 4096. Always start with lowest prime number, that is 2. Okay, just check the last digit is, if it's even number, so we get divide with 2. So 2 2048, again 2 1024, again 2 5 1 2, again 2 2s are 5s are 6 are, again 2 1 2 8, again 2 6 4, again 2 32, again 2 16, again 2 8, again 2 4, then 2 2, and 2 1. Okay, so 4096 equal to 2 into 2, how many times? Just check, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Just write down 12 times 2 here. Otherwise make pair of same factors. Okay, in a pair you just take same factors only. Okay, so here 2 2 1, so 2 square. So how many pairs are there? Total 6 pairs are there, and 6 square. Okay, so square root of 4096 equal to square root of 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, and 2 square. Here square and square root cancel. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64. That's your answer. Okay. One more. Look, sixth number, that is 9604. So here we find out 9604 factors of this number. So with 2, last digit is 4, so that is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 16 8s are 0 and 2. Again 2 2 4 0 1. Now that is not divisible by 2 because last digit 1. Now 3, 4 and 2 6 and 1 7. Okay, 7 is not in 3's table, so that is not divisible by 3. Then try with 7. Okay, so 7 3s are 21, so 30. 7 4s are 2 1, and again 3. Again 7 7 and 9s are. Then again 7, 7s are, 7 1s are. Okay. Now make pair here. Otherwise you just write down factors here, then make pair of 2 here. 9604 equal to 2 square, 7 square and 7 square. So square root of 9604 equal to square root of 2 square, 7 square and 7 square equal to 2 into 7 into 7, because square and square root cancel. 7 7s are 49, 49 2s are 98. That's your answer. Okay. One more, number 10. 8100. Okay. So 8100. Let me factorize. Last digit is 0, so it's divisible by 2. 2, 4. Now 1 is not possible. 0, 5, 0. If you do not try means do not cancel directly one, so what to do? Just divide in the rough page. Okay. Again 2, that is 2025. Now that is not divisible by 2, so again 3s are 3 6, 22, 7 3s are 15 and 5s are. Again 3 3 2s are 6, again 3 2s are 6 and 5s are. Again 3 7 3s are 21 and 5 5 3s are. Again 3, that is 25. Then 5 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay. Make pair of same factors. 2 here, 3 3, 3 3 and 5 5. Okay. So 8100 equal to 2 square, 3 square, 3 square and 5 square. So square root of 8100 equal to square root of 2 square, 3 square, 3 square and 5 square. Here square and square root cancel. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 equal to 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 2s are 90. So the answer is 90. Okay. So in exercise 6.3 you just complete question number 1, 2, 3, 4 in your notebook. Rest of the questions we solve in the next period. Okay. Thank you.